Hello, ngai kublai pi brok khait. Nyapiang subhai pi channel channel chunga. Last lemba amju upload video show nomor balai gidon kita nomor baka. Sya suspend ke channel ke chunga. Nak gidon kita ba. Kaya ngi habur ti YouTube guidelines te nomor ba ka kamdai copyright kamdai ke te ki content ki chonga hi ki pangashna mangahi kamong ba ngashim ni kiwe te kadai hauka inauthentic content kadai na katuka manta ba kila le de ke ai te teng ka detect kumno te ngi hab appeal tu ada appeal sen kampadiang te hari na tung appeal yang ka adu lai banai te rang shulait manta ngatrai feeling ngo hi bro khar khait kibon ba ongenga shano ba upload video show upload video show te menta kasing ras dang ban pia pek kai kini ki nomor kan labu kan ka course 1 kadan kadan kumne course 1 kadan r no kadan r hajar sanspa kini ki pyq kemut ki jingkeli ki bla rim jong ki bla rim te kini ki gk section te ngidon sa 300 jong ke gk Meghalaya te ngidon sa qqa plus ewe te ka total hangne kan no hajar lisu question kindan te kene gre course 1 kila don ki bon hi ki bala shim bala the de kene ka course te kumno ban yu te sa batai fi sa text nga WhatsApp number WhatsApp chunga de unel ne phinyo ka group 8777 894736 te phila ban yo jingte ba khamne na ne number phila ban WhatsApp changa te kane kare ka part 1 mangan pe ka part 1 ngana fi ka part 1 da print kai turu pe la bon ha te jingale bon ha shi pe to te kijingli kini ki pala da 1 lupa ba. These are the previous year question from which I have solved from MPSC, DSC, all DSC in Meghalaya, not only in Khasi Hill, not only in Chen Hill, but also from Garo Hill. Kini shubo kum kini kecing kali kawan kau mah. Nyepit kata, Red Fort was built during the reign of which ruler? Kani le kapa Syaiwan hi man kapor marba. Kini ke Red Fort mah. Red Fort pit mah. Hakapor cungu Shah Jahan. Te ki bangan ai pi ki PDF pada ki long ngalatik apa kumne ki answer. Te kalong betik kumne. Te le se ki tu ki pamkwa ban yu dengan supaya dengan ke video umne le dah. During the whose governor generalship did the revolt of 1857 an important landmark in the history of India. Kata ka jingaki kata kasnam kat praspasan punyo mo. Haga jinglam jongno jongno mo governor general bakar kapak hamlong curba. Kata hapor jong ulot kaning. Gulf War. Operation Desert Storm. Kani kan sawan biang baik kini ki yun pan marba kadon katma setish po Iran. Gulf War kani ma Gulf War. Kiri Gulf countries Middle East. Kani kadi 1990 to 1991. Asteroid also known as kini ki asteroid ma badan po side peneng. Kini la longkum ki minor planet. What is the imaginary line drawn on the map joint place of equal rainfall called isoheight? Kidon ki lines ki bagi join hapo ka map nam takiba kacu kacing yo ki rainfall te kereka isoheight. Ta kani. Balai po kani. Which national park is specifically meant for conservation of Asiatic lion? Kata ka national park ba tang yo Asiatic lion ba sat ang tumo. Te idon gibi kyang gisim e berkat me ang kata. Te hande Gir National Park adon hai kani saya ai po comment kani important. Then approximately how many years did the constituent assembly take to finalize the constitution jong India la simpor haduk kanos nem ban sinama la simpor do asnem kharwe banai. Viksit Bharat mean Viksit Bharat mata modi shet pendan kam hai kani Viksit Bharat. Te kam kam ni made in India te ka develop in India. Kala lap ningkong po India mo. Made in India te teng la sna swa pareng sapun bot sna sejong India ro. Te Company who was the chief architect of India missile program in the 1980s and 1990. Ni te Sir APJ Abdul Kalam. Ute missile man kamu bang. Missile man jong India. When is the National Press Day celebrated? Kamu kena kan wan ha we kali. Baik kum kena kawai. In which part of the body does the formation of the blood platelets occur? Kini ki platelets ki don hapo ki long hapo ki bones marrow. Who is the author of the book Two Life? Kini Bikram Seth kini kelawan mo. Anong ipi kawai ban krekon ban syukre bet ngakot abai tangki pos ba light sibon kata kamantoi ipi ba penwat kam surkar. Krekon da light sipos ru dai tho bet wat ong ba da yo myor ubyang ma kalong ka kum kamaran practice yo breu supule klemlet experience matoi era. Tet kadang ipi da light sipos arpos ka pos ba he pos peret kat dang yo conclusion them ba pinyo ka yo experience. Which one of the following is an input or device? Kani ka computer section. Te kan ma hapo MPSC LTA hani kan sedon ka computer section ma ka computer kan don kan marks kan tuang maklar ngasan pho marks te ngan sabu ki ngalan yo ki jingkali ki barem ro ki jong ka computer section la ka jong misalnya kan ka input ka scanner ma. Kini di output ne monitor, headphone, printer di output. Ornithology is the study of which group of animal? Kini ka bahasa wan ba gri jongki. Study of insect ketua gri jong. The study of insect shed wan ha. The sobriquet the Holy Land is the most common associated with which of the following region? Kani shed wan ma kani la we la santali ki exam kembang alap ma. Na fi takdar fi to exam salam. Kira Palestine ketua ka Holy Land ma ketua sobriquet Holy Land. The takdar Jakarta is capital city of which country? Kira Indonesia. The mentadang World Cup te filawan habetip bahaga city jong ka Mexico gre ke kalane katuki don ki team football ki bakhamlong ki team ki barit tang baki paponam be ki city jong gitu hab devan kan ma ba kum kutu mo kan kutu kap pe wardo mo katu kum katu ka bapen ya draw ya Spain bakatu mutu ro devan pe capital jong ka gre ke te second one gum kita mo. Then 46 National Solar Mission is a part of National Solar Mission National Action Plan on Climate Change. National Action Plan on Climate Change. The second one in a democracy dissent is a dissent. Democracy dissent essential for healthy functioning. kani discourage mde kani punish ba kani shaiwan bhani jingli ro kani ro shaiwan bha disen hak bodi mursi dis kanwan bi kumne thik kanwan ben nganoi phi ting ting jingli kum kini ting ting kani ke jingli ke baso pun yo ting ting u asam ru set kani ke jingli Nagaland ru ke jingli Siapa Uttarakhand ru ke jingli Siapa Tamil ru kani ke jingli ting ting santli ki state ke ke jingli ki ai tolong hak jong jong ka snam hak jong ka por pada te kata kata ke jingli parim ki baron kam palat palat Shark Tank India Season 4 winner from Meghalaya is entrepreneur and waving ngatrai phi ayo phi tape ipo Shark Tank phi kan mau ti long ke me jongi ki bana ri boy te ki yo eknika winner eknika ki mong ba job long ki sha invest kono baklar nga ar phulak iman te PM Kisan provide direct income support to farmer PM Kisan barbor kade ki nong rap te kene direct input to the farmer te amune pe next page te kawai nga shuang phi ba nga kum batai ra khasi kune te kitan bon ki ba request nga te kane kade ka jing ya pule kot lang mo manga ban ma phi umdei ba nga pen batai start e phi kane pen da no no phi kade ka jing ya pule kot lang nga ba phi ngaru ngam padai to bala yo kam sarkar to ngam padai ba yo kam officer ke bahe bahan te ngaru nga hape persangi itu ngene pule kot lang tabang shu penyo e phi kini ki source mo kini ki jingkali ke barem be ba ngai phi te kalong ka jing ya pule kot lang awat phi te lada phi lang ngaru ngasung tenat ele jong mangan la ba teng teng ngaru mangan la ndet ikini bro khoi ngam pat la ra te kade ki jing pule kot lang te lada don ki bas tenat to lele de ki bom don tenat to kam lele kata kamon kepala ilduat bakelot te kani ke SSA bikan mau kani ke SSA nandung no kasdang when was the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan started kasnem hadu nadu snem arjar iwei mau kasdang ni SSA mentai las pun ki tulap mau sarkar Meghalaya ki SSA te takadau kani ke SSA kan mau ki ino kai tu te kani kan sa kalaban wan which device convert chemical energy into electrical na ka chemical na kita chemical lapan mi energy kum layo ji ni layo ban trekam kum hakali betri mo te lalau kene ka yo te kidan ski mechanical energy kidan ski kum ta thermal energy kum ta te the World Environment Day is also on 5th June ka ne le ke basuan bet kan mani exam lada phi akan mau ke basuan bet kan mani exam hi to the Nalanda University was established during the which dynasty? Gupta dynasty. Kani hai kadon kani Nalanda University hapo Bihar. The temporary release of a prisoner is called parole. Parole mo kani kajing ai lai lo yo tu no kambendi mo te sipor te kadika parole kiang. Which country has become the world first nation to receive vaccine? I think for corona mo te unique vaccine monobal ayo ningkong deka Ghana. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana aims to Pradhan PMAY kan mawa PMAY kitu kabiyo kranieng kiwan hap hakanika PMAY ada provide affordable housing to all. Te aman sapek bepi kena battle of plasi fought between ma kalau kamu dulu orang masa pen bet balasai te anpuli tangga yang name the place known as the roof of the wall kena de Tibet mah kena kadang syuan lah ketuka exam SA po iskas helmo kena ben tu kadang syuan ketu No correct biosphere reserve is located in which state in India? Ni deh, Meghalaya. The which Indian airport recently become the world first fully solar empowered? Kane kadi button kai basha wan ri kanero. Deko Cochin International Airport. Then which Indian state was recognized by Wall Street Journal as go-to global destination for 2025? Kadika Rajasthan. Katu kadika current affair. The issue nila ban shoot bro. Which Indian state is the Siliguri corridor of the Kane Kenkaba Mantawa job kabiji people West Bengal? The namta ini Siliguri corridor. Nomor hangni kadon ka Nepal, hangni kadon ka Bangladesh. Idon ta lenti baret tu don Siliguri hane kane hane West Bengal tu Assam. Te ini kemud iri chicken neck wa mo. Te kadon ka jela West Bengal. Kini ka what does population dividend means? Kani ka sayuan mo jingli. Population dividend means the youthful age structure of a population. Kadang the total population on total population of the world, migration of people, meaning total number of population. The youthful age structure of a population. Te kajing long kun batai fi. Kajing stu jonga te kadai ba kajing long klein long side long iu jong kibreo population dividend kajing temen kloy kajing iu to. Which of the following is India first nuclear submarine? Ka first nuclear submarine the pi kanang sayuan ba mangapor kadai NS Vihan. Te right to emergency medical aid is a fundamental right. Ban yo jingerap akaliang kakot kakhiat fi kadai ka hok long try don balak ban khangai fi manu no balak ban khangai ta te kada fundamental right. The study of mushroom is known as mycology. The microbiology the who wrote the following lines? There's not to make reply, there's not the reason why, there's but to do and die. Ini Alfred Tennyson. Key industrial animals are usually classified at which trophic level in a food chain? Ka food chain mo kadang ka producer, tertiary, primary, secondary. Te kanika industrial animal are usually classified as which trophic level? Kini industrial animal la longkum ka primary consumer. In Switzerland, May 26 is considered a Science Day in honor of which of the following? Hapo Switzerland kila eka arpon retrek ni kila khenggum kata Science Day nam tai Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Hapo Switzerland no. The State Bank of India was previously known by which name before 1955? Kani geng jingkali kapa teng kapa long confuse wa tamba kat kum ka jing ajubab no po ki badai page ki exams kadai ka Imperial Bank of India. The piwat na net teng ka ada way. When was Chandrayaan 1 launched to study the surface of the moon? The Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 3 tama. Chandrayaan 1 sedang ajar pra. Teng ala sutai ntas ni te kala khamir ro tunggu syuab an pe welcome. Te ngatrai phin hab ya sya nga ngatsap ten biang khambha la sya gasngi. Te kuis ni te khule shubon sa shu ya ai ke jing comments kin ba sulong you te second mouth number junga te say share like lang khule shubon bra.